Tubers, what's up? I hope you're having a happy hair day. We got a couple weeks away to the summertime. And you know what comes with summer, that scorching heat. So I'm gonna give you the best way you should rock your facial hair this summer. Y'all see I got my beard going on right now. And for the summertime, a good option for your beard is a 5 o'clock shadow. You still get to look a little scruffy, but yet you look like a gentleman. Your face isn't real hot. Women love it. They find the 5 o'clock shadow sexy. And some of y'all, you might not know how to cut a 5 o'clock shadow. I'm gonna show you, and it's real easy. All you need is a pair of clippers. The ones I'm going to use today are the Wahl Vapor clippers. I'll leave a link in the description. I love these things. These are real good. They cut good. They lightweight. It's cordless. I'm going to make it real simple. All you have to do, move your lever all the way down. Turn it on, go against the grain. The reason why I recommend that you go against the grain so it can cut short. If you go with the grain, especially without a guard on, it can tend to look patchy. Now fellas, if your facial hair is like mine, on this right side, the facial hair grows up. So what I do is just cut it in the opposite direction. You see, I'm going up, but I'm going to go sideways or down. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm always going to bring you videos that can help your hair grooming need. So I finished with the shadow. The only thing I'm going to do is because I'm going to leave all this natural. I just want to get the bottom part of my lip. Fellas, there you have it. It's real easy. That's how you cut your 5 o'clock shadow. Oh, one more thing. Remember, after you shave, you always want to use an astringent to clean your face. The astringent I like to use, especially for y'all that know me, I use sea breeze. So I'm just, my face is now clean. I'm good to go. Leave me a comment how you rock your facial hair during the summertime. Or if you have any questions, this ain't the time to be shy. Just use your fingers, type, and I'll answer your question. I'll see y'all in the next video. Ciao!